Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold had formed two patterns. Why I'm explaining you these two patterns? Because it is creating same pattern here. Okay, so now a U pattern is created here and the same pattern is created here. This is from 2012 to 2020 and this is from 2020 to 2022. Okay, now understand similarities between these two patterns, that both have created U pattern. After that there is a sharp fall and we have seen a sharp fall and a swing is trying to form and a swing has formed here, and then upside we have seen, and now it is also going on the same upside trend. Okay, before we move forward and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubt you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail id in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, look at this particular chart. 1613 is a weak support, so chances are very high if the price comes close to this level we can see it will fall further down, because there is higher chances and there is overall trend upside as we have seen. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, there is a continuous upside. It is moving in ascending order but it is quite volatile, you can see. Okay, so chances are very high, suppose if this level sustain, which is on a higher side, yes it can sustain and it can touch a level of around $1956. $1956 is a weak resistance, so chances are high we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $1964, which is again a weak resistance, so chances are high it can go further upside, and a probability of touching 1974 is there. Okay, and this 1974 again a probability is high, it can cross this particular zone and can touch a level of around $1983. so once it move up that particular zone, we can see once it move up that particular zone, we can see it can go towards a level of 2015. Keep this in mind, all these resistance are weak resistance, so chances of touching 2015 is on higher side. Okay, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around $2047. Keep this in mind that the volatility will be high, so always keep your SL and targets and reduce your quantity to half and increase your SL and target on the double sides. Okay, so now what you can see, okay, after crossing a level of 1998, there is high chances that a probability of going gold on a higher side, and it probability it can cross its all-time high also. Okay, you can mail me regarding that and we can discuss on it. Will provide you the detail analysis. But look at this particular trend, it is moving upside but in a ascending order, okay, with a lot of volatility. Suppose if this comes again to its next support of 1949, which is on a higher chances, yes, if it didn't sustain up this level, as we can see the volatility is higher while going upside also. Okay, so chances can be high, suppose if this level didn't sustain, okay, it can come to its next support of around $1949. Suppose if that level also move further down, then we can see the next support coming at around 1939. Okay, and once the price fall below this level, it can touch a level of around $1922.5. Suppose if the price fall below that particular zone, then we can see it can touch a level of around, after 1922, a level of 1910 to a level of around 1885. After 1910, the probability of touching 1885 is on higher side. Okay, and once it fall below this level, it will come again in this zone, and a probability it can go towards its next support of 1851, and from there we can see a level of 1848. And once the price fall below this level, I'll make another video explaining with this. Okay, always understand, do not go blindly that the market will go in one direction. It will trend is overall upside, as you can see, but it is moving in a volatile range, so you have to be ready with your trail SL, as well as if you are in profit, always exit in profit. Okay, set a rule for it. Okay, that once the 100% profit comes down to 80 to 70, then exit the trade for the day. Okay, this is what all I teach in my workshop. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1000 to 1500. risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, now if you took 5 trades, maximum risk you can take is 100 per trade, that is 500 per trade. Okay, now 500 for all the trades. Suppose if you lose all 5 trades, then it will not be a burden for you. Okay, you can focus more on profit the next day rather than recovering this amount. Then you will be more on a ease path. Okay, so this is how I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.